Welcome back to USA Benefits Explained. In today's video, we're covering one of the biggest Social Security updates in years, and it's already putting thousands of dollars back into the pockets of retired teachers, police officers, firefighters, and other public sector workers across the U.S. Some people have received over $18,000 in retroactive payments, and millions more are still waiting for their checks in 2025. If you or your family ever worked in public service, this could mean serious money for you. I'll explain exactly who qualifies, how much you could receive, and how to check your payment status right now. Let's get started. In January 2025, Congress passed the Social Security Fairness Act, a historic law that wipes out two controversial rules called the Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, and the Government Pension Offset, GPO. These rules unfairly reduced Social Security benefits for over 3.2 million retired teachers, police officers, firefighters, and other public sector workers who also had pensions. For decades, they lost out on huge amounts of Social Security money, but that's finally changed. So far, over 2.5 million people have already received retroactive checks, with payments going back to January 2024. Some retirees have reported payments as high as $18,000 or more in back pay, depending on their work history and pension amounts. Plus, their monthly Social Security benefits have gone up automatically starting from April 2025 for life. The Social Security Administration expects to finish all retroactive payments by November 2025. So are you wondering if you or your loved ones qualify? You are not alone. It's simple. Did you work in a public sector job like teaching, police, firefighting, or government, where you had a pension? Did your Social Security benefits get reduced because of WEP or GPO in the past? If yes, you're likely eligible for both the retroactive payment and higher monthly benefits going forward. Here's how to check. Go to SSA.gov/myaccount. Log in or create your free account. Look under Payment History or Notices for updates about WEP/GPO adjustments. If you qualify, you'll see the payment info right there, along with your new benefit amount. And, last but not the least, you don't have to apply to receive the payment, it's automatic. But here's the deal. Some people may have missing information or need to verify their work history with Social Security to receive their full payment. If your account doesn't show a payment yet, call the Social Security Administration at 1-800-772-1213. Ask specifically about your WEP or GPO adjustment under the Fairness Act. Don't wait, payments are being processed now through November 2025, and the sooner you act, the sooner you may get your money. Share this video with your parents, grandparents, or anyone you know who worked in public service. They deserve to know. And hey, if you found this helpful, tap subscribe for more USA Benefits updates and drop a comment if you have questions. We reply fast.